Does the chairman has the prerogative or the right to make judgment?
No. That's my perspective, no? That's my personal opinion outside of the hearing or outside of this hall. So don't question my opinion.
I am not questioning your opinion, Mr. Chair, but you are the
Let's
chairman
not
of this
here.
committee.
Anyway, let's proceed with the
You are not interested in the prejudicial question that I am going to raise, Mr. Chair?
Go ahead, you raise your
Kaya nga sinasabi ko sa inyo
You're
an
questioning my
investigator,
opinion.
we are investigating.
Away kagad tayo rito.
Mr. Chair, we are still
Hearing suspended.
investigating. If we are in the process of investigation, why are you so protective?
Why are you so protective?
I am not protecting them. Mabuti sinabi mo yan, Mr. Chair. Pwede ba natin i-record ito? Palagi niyong sinasabi, I am protective of the Diskaya. When I was chairman of this committee, sinabi ko na sa inyo, the only remedy provided under the law is for them to apply if they qualify under the process of witness protection program. That's all what I did.
Session is resumed. Session is resumed. Mr. Alcantara, you proceed.
I am questioning the proceedings, Mr. Chair.
Mr. Alcantara, you proceed. Go ahead, go ahead.
I will register my continuing objection, Mr. Chair. I will question the objectivity of this proceedings if you will not allow me to raise this point. Maybe in the plenary this afternoon I will raise it.
Go ahead. Mr. Alcantara, you proceed with your statement.
Your Honor, okay lang po bang makapagbigay ng opening statement ko po?
Dapat gagawin natin dito. Ibang po proceed kayo without hearing niya.
Magandang umaga po sa inyo lahat. Tinatanggap ko po na ako po ay bilang sagot sa maraming tanong sa mga nakakaraming araw upang maproteksyonan ang institusyon na aking manalo sa mga 30 taon. Subalit, itong mga nakangaraw, ako po ay nakapag-isip-isip na tumulong na lamang po sa investigasyon na ito para po sa bayan. Narito po ako sa harapan niyo ngayon upang tumulong ng buong puso abot ng aking makakaya upang makapagbigay din ako sa katanungan sa investigasyon.